Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to recover deleted file from recycle bin. So let's start. So here I just open my recycle bin, simply double click on it and here the recycle bin is open. You can see the list of deleted all file. To recover any file, you just simply click on it and right click on the mouse and click on the restore option. Okay, and you can check here the original location, C drive, user, admin, in desktop. So this file will recover in desktop. Okay, I just click on the restore and that's it. I just go to the desktop and you can see your file is recovered. Okay, and the second way, simply select the file those you want to recover. So I select here the Excel copy file, then go to the recycle bin tab. And here in restore group have a one option, restore the selected item. Just click on it and that's it. Your Excel copy file number is restored in desktop. So I just go to the desktop and you can see the file number also restored. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.